Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make jumbo shrimp, easy method. Start by thawing 1 lb jumbo shrimp under cold water, then peel and devene while leaving tails for presentation, pat them dry with paper towels, and season lightly with salt and pepper. Use 2 tablespoons oil in a hot pan until shimmering, and cook shrimp 1 to 2 minutes per side until opaque and slightly pink, then rest briefly and serve. In this video, I will explain how to make jumbo shrimp, easy method. Lightly season shrimp with 1 tsp paprika, 1 tsp garlic powder, salt and pepper, then add a splash of lemon juice or 1 tablespoon melted butter for brightness. Let shrimp sit for up to 20 minutes, no longer, to avoid breaking down the flesh. Heat the pan on medium-high and sear the shrimp quickly to lock in flavor and keep a firm, juicy texture. In this video, I will review how to make jumbo shrimp, easy method. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like as it really helps the channel grow, and quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker is great for kitchen timers and music while you cook. I've linked product details and deals in the description, so check those out, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make jumbo shrimp, easy method. Preheat a skillet over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons oil until it shimmers, then add shrimp in a single layer without crowding. Sear each side for 1 to 2 minutes until the shrimp turn opaque and curl slightly, then remove immediately to avoid overcooking. Finish with fresh parsley and a squeeze of lemon for bright contrast, and serve right away for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.